Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable the show name feature when participants join your meeting in the Zoom mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main home screen where you can access all your meeting options and settings. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture displayed there. Go ahead and tap on it to open your account menu. This is where you can access all your personal settings and preferences within the Zoom app. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Zoom experience, from audio and video preferences to meeting controls and notifications. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the meeting option and tap on it. This section is specifically dedicated to all the settings related to how your meetings function, including participant controls, notifications, and display preferences. It's a crucial area for customizing your meeting experience to suit your needs. After opening the meeting settings, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Show Name when participants join. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to see a notification with the participant's name each time someone enters your meeting, helping you keep track of who's joining in real time without having to constantly check the participants list. When you locate this option, you'll notice a toggle switch right beside it. Simply tap on this toggle to enable the feature. Once activated, the switch will change color or position to indicate that the setting is now turned on. This means that from now on, whenever someone joins your meeting, you'll see their name displayed on your screen, making it easier to acknowledge attendees and maintain awareness of your meeting's participant flow. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the show name feature for when participants join your Zoom meetings on mobile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.